Cordial saludo, tutor y compañeros. Mi nombre es Caterina Tolosa Gómez. Estoy matriculada en el programa de Psicología en la Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. A continuación les voy a hablar sobre mi postal, la cual está hecha sobre una de las 7 maravillas del mundo, la cual es Cristo el Redentor. There are parts I am in Brazil with my friend Rose and holding on of the 7 wonder of the world, which is Christ the Redeemer, that is located of the hill of Corcovado, in the city of Rio de Janeiro. In this fall you can see how beautiful it is this statue. This makes me feel very happy because it's not the lowest statue in the world. The truth is that I have no words to describe it. It is right, wonderful. What I do not like is that it is far away. But is where it's traveling there. I'll always wear comfortable clothes since during the summer months it is quite hot. Desearían que estuvieran aquí. Amor, Caterina. Gracias.